Dear viewers, today I am going to explain how to germinate passion fruits plants from the seeds. So first you have to choose good seeds and healthy seeds, then you have to soak it in the water for 24 hours. It's better to use the compost soil for your plants because it grows more food for your plants. So you have to be patient. It takes a long time. Sometimes it takes 4 weeks to 8 weeks to come out the seedlings. So you have to be very patient. You have to wait. Today I'm going to transfer the seedlings to another pot because when it starts growing it need more place and good soil. So I am going to transfer it to another pot. I took two plastic cup. One is on the top and another is down. The topper one I make some holes so that if any excess water is there it can drain down. So my seedlings is growing nicely. I am using the liquid fertilizer every weeks, and I keep it in the sun besides the window because outside weather is too cold now. So I keep it in the room in the room temperature so that it can grow continuously. If you use liquid fertilizer, it's available in the shop, in the gardening shop. So if you use liquid fertilizer, then you use 2 or 3 drops of liquid fertilizer in 1 cup of water, and you water the plants 2 or 3 times in a day. Make sure no excess of water, not too dry and not too wet. You can see that my plants is growing very nicely and it looks so healthy. So you have to take care your plants very carefully, and you have to wait. You should be patient because it depends. Maybe some passion fruits plants grows very fast, some grows very slowly. It depends on the weather. The weather is cold or hot. In the hot weather it grows very nicely, but in the cold weather it doesn't grow really good. So during the winter time I kept my passion fruits plants in the room. Now it's summer time, so I am going to plant it outside so that it can grow nicely and it can get enough sunlight. So I am continuing using the liquid fertilizer because it works very good, and my passion fruits plants is growing very fast now because it's getting enough sunlight outside. So and the outside temperature is very warm, so it's getting more energy to grow. You can see it's tall enough. It's growing really fast, and it spread its branches over the balcony, and the leaves are so healthy and it's looking very fresh and so green. So you can see that the passion fruits flower has been came out. It's looking so nice. The flower looks very beautiful. I really worked hard for that. So at last I got that. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you will enjoy it. Thanks a lot. If you have any question, if you have anything to know about passion fruits planting, then don't forget to let me know in the comments box. Thank you.